makikita ang makakatawid and mabibigyan ng mas malalaking characters in the future and shows?
Well, definitely, like for me personally, since I'm the creative producer of Zoomers, syempre ang pangarap natin may season 3 or may pelikula. Wow. Pero of course, alam naman namin na ang purpose ng Zoomers is really to launch them. And I just want siguro sinasabi naman namin sa kanila na, you know, like for example, the Luis and Kay, they actually auditioned for Pamilya Sagrado in November and they only had a parang callback in Feb. And I'm assuming the producers saw Zoomers season 1. That's why they were called back to Pamilya Sagrado. And that's what we envisioned. The producers, whether they're film producers or business unit heads of ABS-CBN or other TV5 or A to Z, when they see the show, they'll realize na, ay, pwede si Erica, nagpa-sexy. Kaya-kaya niya tong role na ganito. So, parang yun yung, or di kaya, ay, ang lakas ng follower ng Chris Villa, may pa-billboard magagaling naman na artista. Bigyan natin ng series, ng I Want TFC series, or i-cast natin sa teleserye, gano'n. So, lahat yun ay palaging vision namin at hindi naman magagawa yun kung hindi rin nila they don't also do the hard work. And I'm just happy they also did the hard work.
Okay, and then last question na lang for Harvey and Ralph, no? Kasi kayo ngayon yung nakatawid sa more major roles in mas malalaking shows, no? So, meron bang learning from shooting High Street na nadala nyo sa Zoomers Season 2 or meron kayong practice from Season 1 na nagagamit nyo pa rin while shooting or while doing your characters sa High Street?
Siguro yung nadala ko from High Street, syempre, doon sobrang veteran na po talaga ng mga cast doon. Aminado po ako na medyo na-intimidate pa po ako minsan nung simula. But eventually sa sobrang welcoming po nila and sa sobrang dami po nilang tinulong sa akin, mas naging comfortable na po ako sa harap ng camera. Na kahit sino po maka-eksena ko, okay naman po. And I learned also na there are also very different directing styles na we also have to adjust to. So lahat po ng napipick up ko kay Direk Kevin, nadadala ko po sa High Street, or lahat po ng napipick up po kay Direk Onat, kay Direk Lino, nadadala ko din po sa nung nag-shoot kami ng Zoomer Season 2. So it's a very, very good experience, good learning experience for me kasi yun nga po, madami pa po akong matututunan and madami pa akong gustong puntahan with this career.
Saan ka punta? Sama kami.
Doon sa taas.
Ayan.
Ako po siguro, ang pinaka natutunan ko from working on a teleserye like High Street is you need to adapt. Minsan may mga revisions sa script na pinadala naman sa GC na hindi mo nabasa, hindi mo alam may revision. You really have to learn it right there, moments before you take the scene. So, yung mga small moments like that you really need to learn as an actor. Kasi syempre, iba yung format namin sa Zoomers sa teleserye. Dito sa Zoomers, we had the luxury of being able to finish the whole show before it aired. Sa pag-teleserye kasi, you know, makakabako ka naman ng mga episodes, pero at some point, hahabol din yung airing sa taping ninyo. So, you really need to learn how to adapt, how to learn your lines quickly. And like Ralph said, learning how to adapt with different directors. Kasi each director has a different directing style. And you really need to deliver. Doesn't really matter what directing style that is. Kasi you need to deliver.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ralph and Harvey, thank you. And next question, sino pa dyan, Sir Aaron, yung may mga katanungan?
Itanungin din natin si Luis na nasa Pamilya Sagrado.
Hey! GSX.
GSX.
So, ayun, syempre work ethics, you have to work on it kasi hindi pwede mo i-serve ng halfway. So, kailangan mo talaga mag-effort para makita ng tao yung hard work mo and yung passion mo sa pag-acting. And ang pinaka-useful is actually, kahit iba-iba yung acting styles, tapos iba-iba yung nagde-direct, kailangan mo i-fulfill kung ano yung binivision ng director mo. Kasi ikaw yung magpapakita sa kanila ng clear na kung anong gusto nila. So, ayun. Para sila yung painter. So, ayun.
Very well said. Thank you. We have a question from Rachel. of Pep.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations sa season 2 ng Zoomers. And we interviewed Derek Lauren recently and he said na talaga kasama sa best bets ng Star Magic and ABS-CBN ang Zoomers cast. Ayun. Siyempre ngayon ang season 2 na at mas komportable na kayo sa isa't isa. Meron pa rin bang mga nangyaring bloopers sa set or funny moments na naaalala niyo at pwede niyo ma-share sa amin today?
Hindi kami
Sabi
nag-bloopers,
nila,
hindi kami
hindi
nagka-
nagkakamali.
hindi kami nagkakamali.
Wow!
Lagi mo kasi one thing eh.
Meron bang bloopers?
Magagaling sila. Ikaw
Talaga.
direct.
Kasi direct.
Direct.
Direk Kevin.
Si Crystal,
Ay,
parang may
yung
naiisip siya.
Pwede ba pag-usapan yun?
Ay,
Nasa
hindi ko
trailer
alam.
eh.
Mas trailer.
Nasa trailer
Basta
naman eh.
walang spoil.
Okay. Meron kasing eksena where mahuhulog si Jake sa taas. Parang nakagano sila dalawa. Tapos when we were taking the scene, rehearsal ba? Hindi ko alam kung rehearsal yun o take yun.
Hindi, take na.
Take na yun. So, na-take na, ayan na nahulog na kami dalawa ni Criza.
Tapos si Direk kasi nakakatawa. Kasi, ewan ko yung sinasadya ni Direk, pero like, may gusto siya na shot na paulit-ulit namin ginawa yung scene. Hanggang sa,
Eventually, nung ginawa namin yung eksena, daming sand na napunta sa mata ni Criza.
nasa buhangin ko
Tapos,
kasi kami.
nasa buhangin kasi. Tapos, syempre, nasa beach kami yung init. Yung pawis ko,
Tumutulong sa
Tumutulong
akin.
sa-
Tapos, yung sand nasa mata ko na. Ganon. Tapos pawis na pawis si Harvey. So, ako naman, si Punas rin. Tapos ang sakit ng mata ko. Kung ano-ano na talaga nangyari.
Sakit na sa mata.
Oo.
Pero ang professional. Kudos.
So mga pagkaganon talaga, wala na talagang arte, on set, itong mga bagets na rin.
I also remember in connection dun sa Uwi, I think yung same eksena nasa bonfire kasi sila. And nung nag-shoot kasi kami, grabe yung init. Yun yung kasagsagan, like 40s. Feels like 46 and so. So ang init, no? Yung gabi na yun, yung bonfire scene, which I guess we're gonna see later on sa screen. Grabe yung, ano nila, kasi daming lines, diba? Lahat sila may init. Pero lahat sila nakatapat sa apoy. Hindi sila pwede umalis kasi kailangan na namin i-take right away. So, minsan nakita ko na naluluha na sila dahil sa apoy. So, si Kokoy may line dun later on na tweet niya eh. Kahit si Lu kasi sobrang pawisin, pareho kami. Parang yun yung sukatan ko kung sobrang init na ba kasi talaktak talaga yung pawis. But you know, they all pulled off the scene. Kasi imagine, nasa harap kayo ng bonfire and hindi kayo pwedeng umalis kasi pupunan na right away.
Ayan. And siguro last question na lang for any of you who wants to answer. Meron ba kayong nabili na something to reward yourself after nung successful run of Zoomers Season 1? How did you spend your talent fee?
May bagong kotse si Harvey, guys.
Sobrang pagkatas talaga.
Zoomkadas, saan niyo daw ginastos yung fruits of your labor? Season 1.
Pagkain.
Food.
Mostly food.
Nag-hangout ba kayo? Like, nag-travel kayo buong Zoomkadas, like, as a whole, kasama yung prod?
Hindi pa po.
Hindi pa eh.
Hindi pa.
Wala pang gano'n.
Soon. Pakailangan niyo po ng host, ha? Facilitator, ganun.
Wala pag-reveal ng talent fee or ng reward that you bought for yourself?
Po, pagkain po.
Ayun, sige,
I mean,
sige,
aside
daw,
from
sige.
that.
For me po, pinangpuhunan ko po siya. Parang gusto ko po kasi mag-start ng business. Kasi yung family ko mahilig kami sa fashion and dresses. So ngayon parang nagsa-start up na po ako ng studio for dress rentals for events. So ayun po yung reward ko sa sarili. Business po.
Congratulations! Talagang business-minded.
Naka-proud naman.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. That's Rachel Shasan of Pep.ph. We are down to our last two questions. And our next question will come from Chris Lane of WhatsApp.ph.
What's up?
What's up?
Congrats sa Zoomers. And question ko lang kay Lisa and Harvey. Ano yung character ni Hope tsaka ni Jigs na until now as Gen Z na-adapt?
ano yung traits nila as characters na
Parang ano yung character nila na after nung Zoomers na adapt niya pa rin yung rin.
Feeling ko it's the more of the ugali ng character ninyo na na-carried away. Na-carried over in personal. Ay, ganun eh. Habang nag-iisip sila, kwento ko na lang din. Kahit di mo naman tinatanong, kwento ko na. Habang nag-iisip sila, parang tayo ma-dead air. Uy, shoutout nga pala sa mga Zoomkadas natin dyan nanonood sa live stream. What's up?
What's up, Zoomkada?
Yes! Don't forget to use our official hashtag for today. It's hashtag Zoomer Season 2. Mamayang gabi na yan.